Making PDFs Accessible by UDC's Center for the Advancement of Learning. You have access to Adobe Acrobat Pro free through UDC. This tool will help you check for and ensure PDF accessibility. Remember that as much as possible, we want to source and use already accessible PDFs. However, sometimes that is impossible, and we need to perform some basic steps to ensure accessibility for assistive readers. Let's get started. In Blackboard, on the left-hand navigation bar, locate Tools. Locate and click on the Adobe Creative Cloud button. Then, click on the blue button that says, Go to Adobe Express. This will bring you to a sign-in page. Enter your UDC email address in the email address field and click Continue. And now you should have access to a range of Adobe products. We want to access Adobe Acrobat Pro, so go to the top right. You'll see 4 little squares. Click on that icon and you'll see this drop-down menu. Select Acrobat from the options. This screen will appear. Go to the top right and click on the Get Your Apps drop-down menu. From the menu, select Adobe Acrobat Pro. Select Open Adobe Acrobat. Now we are in Acrobat Pro. Select the document you would like to check for accessibility. Your document will open up, and you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. There are 2 main functions we'll use in this menu: Scan and OCR, and Prepare for Accessibility. Let's open Scan and OCR first by clicking the option. Now we see the Scan and OCR menu. This will allow you to make sure a PDF is scannable. In other words, you'll make text readable for assistive devices. There are 2 things you want to do here. The first is Enhance Scan File. A menu will appear, and you'll click Enhance. The next thing you'll want to do is Recognize Text. Click in this file, on the left navigation menu. Then click Recognize Text. This should make the PDF scannable. When a PDF is scannable, you can select text by highlighting it. You can also search for individual or groups of words and find them in the PDF. When a PDF does not have recognizable text, this is impossible. Click the arrow to the left of Scan and OCR to return to the main menu. Next, go to the View More option at the bottom of the left side navigation bar. This will expand the menu. From there, scroll down to find and select Prepare for Accessibility. Now we're in the Prepare for Accessibility function. First, we'll go to Automatically Tag PDF and click. A box will pop up. If there are no tags, you'll click the blue box to tag the document. In this case, the PDF already has tags. You can choose to keep the current tags by selecting Cancel, or you can retag the document by clicking Confirm. When the document has been tagged, a box will appear on the right, and you'll be able to see the tags. Tags are the main way that assistive readers determine how to navigate and read the text. Tags indicate reading order, such as headers, subheaders, paragraphs, tables, and more. Now that we've established reading order, go to Check for Accessibility on the left side navigation bar. The Accessibility Checker options box will appear. Click Start Checking. After the check has concluded, a menu will pop up on the right side of the screen. This is the report about the document's accessibility. You'll likely see a few issues flagged. If you right-click on the issue identified, you may have the option to fix the issue. Select that, and the issue will either fix itself or prompt you to take steps to fix it. Here, for example, the title of the document has failed inspection, meaning it isn't identifiable. If we right-click, we have the option to fix. A description box will pop up. Here you can uncheck the box Leave as is, and then add your title in the box. Press OK and that issue is fixed. As we move down the right side menu addressing flagged items, we come to Alternative Text. If this item is flagged, we want to be sure we have added alternative text to all images and marked any design elements as decorative. To do this, we can go to the left menu and select Add Alternative Text. In this document, it appears all alternative text has been marked, so we should be good to go. If not, a box would pop up here to take us image by image, so that we could write alternative text descriptions of each image. Alternative text is essential because it allows assistive readers to describe images to those who cannot view them. When you are finished fixing accessibility issues, you can save the PDF by going up to the top and clicking the Save icon or Upload to Cloud icon. And that's it. Your work in Adobe Acrobat Pro will ensure that your students who use assistive readers have access to their learning materials. Thank you.